Guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, Lbai the bat that we all love, the one that I have been speaking about for so long, guys. Lots and lots of history. Caught it at the dip, saw it peak, caught it again at the dip, saw it peak. Like, I'm just going in cycles. You know why there's so many cycles? Because it's all in preparation for the big moment. And then that's where you see the crazy explosion. That's where you see the charts getting broken. That's where you see the magic that you guys so much need and want. So there you have it, as simple as that. Yet some people, they're still kind of confused whether they should be making moves, whether they should come in at the dip, or maybe they should wait until, the wave starts hitting and then they catch it at the all-time high, which I think is ridiculous. So really get your ideas straight, have a good plan, understand everything's a risk. I know things can look scary and they can look wild and whatever you can imagine. Whenever, guys, you go into cryptos, everything is very volatile. And a lot of people don't really understand how to make money correctly. When you find a very good team, when you see that a lot of exchanges are coming in, I mean, Lemmy's already listed on a bunch of exchanges. Look at this, all the time. LCX, okay? HIBT Asia. Lots, actually, they're really diving hard into Asia, which is really nice to see. And many others, okay? Arbit. And it just carries on and on and on. I mean, it's your job also to do the due diligence, the research, and have a look into it. But if they're putting up so much money, then surely there's something in this. Surely, exchanges also see the potential to make money from trading fees. Surely you guys also understand that this makes it easier and more flexible for people to trade Lbai. There are so many reasons and good points about getting these exchanges. And this is why it sets that path for the long-term vision. Simple as that. I wouldn't say Lbai is massive right now. Obviously, it has a lot of room for growth. But the nice thing about it is that with every exchange, you're going to see it just going up and up and up and up and up. And it just will never stop. Simple as that. So Lbai for sure, has a great roadmap, good market cap predictions, levels, all that great stuff. You should really take this into account. Everything that I say, I try to motivate you, but also I speak facts. It's done a lot. And I think now it deserves investors to come in and start really supporting this because it needs to be taken to that next level. Will it go to that next level? Absolutely. The question is how far? Is it going to be 100 million, 200, 300, 400, 500? I mean, I don't know exactly, but I predict some big targets on it. So easy multipliers, easy money. For some could even be generational money. And for me, it's just, really positive, all this, because at the end of the day, I make a lot of videos. I want to see you guys make money. I want to see my subscribers, my followers happy. And that's what's going to happen very soon. So thank you so much. Appreciate all the support. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.